The little red cat who ran away and learned his ABCs the hard way. The little red cat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you know your ABCs.